Butterflies, ephemeral jewels. They dance on the wind, a flash of color, and then they are gone. But where do they go? What mysterious lives do they lead? Let us take a journey. We will follow the butterflies. We will learn their secrets. Butterflies belong to a group called insects, which have 6 legs and 3 body parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. Butterflies are special insects. They have large, colorful wings covered in tiny scales that give them their color. Found all over the world, they live in hot rainforests, cold mountains, and even deserts. Butterflies are very adaptable and can survive in many different habitats. They are a vital part of the ecosystem, helping to pollinate plants, which helps the plants to reproduce. Butterflies are a joy to watch. They bring beauty to our world. We must protect them. We must ensure their survival for future generations. There are many different types of butterflies, each species with its own unique beauty. The monarch butterfly is one of the most well-known. It is famous for its long migrations, traveling thousands of miles from Canada to Mexico to escape the cold weather. The swallowtail butterfly, with long tails on its hindwings that resemble the tails of swallows, is another beautiful species. Swallowtail butterflies are found all over the world, coming in a variety of colors and patterns. The morpho butterfly is known for its iridescent blue wings, a truly breathtaking sight. Living in the rainforests of Central and South America, the undersides of their wings are a dull brown, helping them to camouflage and hide from predators while resting. Butterflies come in many shapes and sizes, from tiny to huge, like the Atlas moth, which has a wingspan of nearly a foot. The life cycle of a butterfly is a fascinating process, a story of transformation. It starts with a tiny egg laid on a plant, which will be the caterpillar's food source. When the egg hatches, a caterpillar emerges. The caterpillar's job is to eat. It eats and eats and eats, growing bigger and bigger. The caterpillar sheds its skin several times as it grows, a process called molting. When the caterpillar is fully grown, something amazing happens. It transforms into a pupa, also known as a chrysalis, which hangs from a branch or leaf. Inside the chrysalis, a magical transformation takes place. The caterpillar's body breaks down and transforms into a beautiful butterfly. This process is called metamorphosis. When the butterfly is ready, it emerges from the chrysalis, now ready to fly free. Butterflies are not just beautiful creatures, they are also important pollinators. Pollination is the process of transferring pollen from one flower to another, which is essential for plants to reproduce. As butterflies drink nectar from flowers, pollen sticks to their legs and bodies. When they fly to another flower, the pollen rubs off, fertilizing the flower so it can produce seeds. Beyond their role in pollination, butterflies are an important part of the food chain, serving as a food source for birds, bats, and reptiles. They play a vital role in the ecosystem. Scientists can learn a lot about the health of an ecosystem by studying butterflies. The presence or absence of certain butterfly species can indicate environmental changes. For example, a decline in butterfly populations can be a sign of pollution or habitat loss. Butterflies are facing many threats today. Habitat loss is one of the biggest threats. As humans continue to develop wild areas, butterflies are losing their homes. Pesticides, which are chemicals used to kill insects, can also kill butterflies and represent another significant threat. Climate change also poses a threat to butterflies, as changes in temperature and rainfall can affect their populations. We can all help to protect butterflies by planting butterfly gardens, which provide food and shelter for them. We can avoid using pesticides in our gardens and support organizations that are working to protect butterflies. By taking action, we can help to ensure that these beautiful creatures continue to grace our planet for generations to come. Creating a butterfly garden is a rewarding experience. It's not only a wonderful way to attract butterflies, but also a great way to help conserve these beautiful creatures. Choose a sunny spot in your garden, as butterflies love the sun and need it to warm their wings. Plant a variety of nectar-rich flowers in bright colors and in clumps to make it easier for the butterflies to find them. Provide a water source for the butterflies. A shallow dish filled with water and some stones will give them a place to land. Avoid using pesticides in your butterfly garden, as they can harm butterflies. Be patient. It may take some time for butterflies to find your garden, but once they do, you will be rewarded with the sight of these beautiful creatures flitting from flower to flower. Butterflies are a vital part of the natural world, a source of beauty and wonder. By learning about butterflies and taking steps to protect them, we can help to ensure that these magical creatures continue to grace our planet for generations to come.